and Kamimo everyone. Today we welcome you to our Mayel Lyang news. Today we have got the students of Mayel Lyang Academy who have recently published a book titled "The Most Common 50 Orchids of Kalimpong, Darjeeling Hills, and Sikkim." Uh, and we have got the author of the books, Kasi, Somsing, Adrina, and Liam. Now we are going to ask few questions to them. And our first question: what is the reason behind of making this book?
Um, there are many reasons. Firstly, as we are interested in orchids, and as we were studying and learning about orchids since the end of the last year, we worked upon it practically, and for that we found it very amazing. It helped us in many of the things, and it is so much interesting to learn about orchids. And we thought that if why not share our knowledge to the people, to the students like us who are interested in orchids. So hence we published this orchid book, and we are very much happy that we are able to make this. We were able to make this book, and this is basically the main reason is to encourage all of the people and students like us to uh, work upon their hobbies and know more about orchids.
That was good initiative. And our second question: was there anyone who assisted or guided you for publishing the book?
Mm, Thank you for your question. And while making this book, yes, we as a student, we took lots of help from uh, people like Nordin Sir and Purna Bahadur, and even from our friends. While we have drawn a lot of picture that's of orchids. These all are being done by our friend of Mayel Lyang Academy, and there was other two who guided from different places, and while collecting orchids for plantations, and we all know that we have collected almost 60 orchids, and we have planted over here, and there are lots of people who help us, and that's all.
Thank you. And our third question: is it important to plant an orchid or not?
In my perspective, we should plant orchids for the healthy ecosystem and for the conservation. Yeah.
Thank you. And our fourth question: what kind of environment or the place is suitable for orchid?
Like while planting orchids and searching for it, I came across that it depends on the leaves of orchid. So if orchid got uh, thick leaves, it's mostly found in like full sun area and in cliffs, and wherever in like it has thin leaf, then we can say that it's mostly found in like shaded region and wet region.
Thank you. Mm. And lastly, I request you all to share your experience.
Like it was a proud moment for me, like having a book while studying in having a grade of class 9, like it's mostly like proud for me, and it was peaceful for me. Like you can relate that you are working on a field that which you are interested and you are curious to know about that field. So for that particular moment I was too proud, like for that book, like that. That's all.
Thank you. And something.
Yes, as my friend Tassi said, it was proud something, and for me it was more of getting confident, because to release this book, it was unprecedented for us. We haven't done such project before. We released this book, and I personally feel very proud because and in this age we got we all got this opportunity, and we didn't let it go, and yeah, these all are the things that I have.
And Adrina.
Mm, I experienced the feeling of true learning, like from researching to implementing it practically. I felt really very happy, and I got to know what true learning is. It is not just researching about the information and jotting down the lines on the paper. It is also giving a practical approach. Lastly, we all hope that this very book of ours, the 50 most common orchids of Sikkim, Darjeeling and Kalimpong, will be helpful for the young orchid learners.
Thank you. And our lastly, Leon.
So firstly, it was a great opportunity for me to know about the orchids. I got to learn many things about orchids, and to be part of this orchids group, it was one of my great opportunity.
Thank you, Leon. Today our interview session or episode ends here, and we thank you to all the viewers who are with us in this episode, and thank you.